Technical corner today. Jeff from PSL Datatracks. Key to my business is getting quotations, getting a request coming in. I want to get that quotation out, and that's one of the key things your software provides.
It certainly is. Speed of response as well as the right price are key to winning business.
Okay, and then the right price we'll cover off in a separate technical corner, hourly rates and the like. But I think what we should do first is actually look at a video we did with the legend of engineering, who is Andy Seuss from Bedford CNC.
Come back.
And what's it done for your customers ultimately and yourselves?
They get now a professional quotation with
Quickly.
quickly.
Yeah.
Professional quotation with it all on there. It's all documented and it's emailed over to them.
So Andy Seuss, a legend in engineering, and I have to mention his new DMG Mori. Absolutely loves it. So busy, he's got problems because he is so busy. Being helped by you guys with the quotation system. But I'm going to move on. You know, the proof of the pudding is in the eating and having real life examples. So I'm going to throw a couple of names at you. So G23.
Well, it's about speed of response. Again, you get that quote out, you get the right quote out, the right price, and you're going to win more business. You're not just holding back.
It's as simple as that. And another technical corner we did where we saw Steve from Mayland. How long was he getting? What sort of time was he taking to get quotes?
I think it was 3 minutes.
Another example is we've got a video here. In fact, it was when he was setting up his own machine shop. It was Dan from Northants Precision. It was what did he buy first, essentially?
Well, it was a Datatracks system.
Let's have a look.
Really?
Okay, when you say speed, it's in terms of
Quoting jobs. So the customer I work with, they might ring up and ask for multiple jobs, multiple quantities. With that system, I can do that in seconds. Once you put your first quote in, to edit a quote is seconds.
okay, because you're doing lots of high-end motorsport. Is that correct?
Yeah.
So you want quote for one off, but they might
Yeah.
phone up and change that.
Yeah, and they might ask for a 1 off, 10 off, 50 off, 100 off. Like doing that on an Excel spreadsheet, it take forever.
Dan's first purchase, the chicken came before the egg, or vice versa.
Certainly did. The Datatracks system was the first purchase, but that was to make sure that Dan could hit the ground running and quote from day one accurately.
That's exactly what engineers want. And you know, I want to quote real life examples. It's all well and good you saying that's a great quoting system, but you know, Alan at New Tech, for example.
For him, he says it simplified the whole process. Again, that enabled him to be more profitable working on things he had to, not spending all his day quoting.
Yep, so he's got his head in the machine doing what he wants to do.
Yeah.
And our friend, the team at Jotter Engineering.
Again, same thing in terms of complexity of quotes, making sure that quote considers all the variables that you need to get the right price and get that speedy response to the customer.
There you go, that's it in a nutshell. So quoting made easy by PSL Datatracks, making sure you're winning that business.